Hello, guys, welcome to our channel Thinkers. Guys, let's start today's topic, learn to live smart. About life, we have 4 most valuable lessons. Lesson number 1. You break your own heart by making someone more important to you than you are to them. So never play yourself like that. Lesson number 2. Many people will panic to find a charger before their phone dies, but won't panic to find a plan before their dream dies. Lesson number 3. Don't work 8 hours for a company then go home and not work on your own goals. You are not tired, you're uninspired. Lesson number 4. Life is short, so break your silly egos, forgive quickly, believe slowly, laugh truly, laugh loudly, and never avoid anything that makes you smile. So best of luck and enjoy life with the most valuable information, and be with us for further more.